Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to take you through changing a propeller on your Mini 4 Pro. Now there are a few reasons why we might want to change propellers, but the main reason is going to be because of damage. So when it comes to propellers, we want to check them sort of periodically. You actually want to check them before each flight just to make sure that they're in good working order. So when we're checking them, we're basically just having a good look to make sure there's no splits, no cracks, no bits missing, and they're not sort of bent or obviously damaged. Now, if you do have a damaged propeller, this is going to be the main situation in which you want to replace it. So in order for me to take you through replacing a propeller, I'm just going to move the camera in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing a bit better. But before I do that, let me just tell you the following. So to change the propeller, we're going to need the provided screwdriver, and we're also going to need a replacement propeller. Now, if you've got a fly more kit, you should have replacement propellers and the screwdriver included. If you didn't get a fly more kit, you might not have extra propellers, but if you don't, go ahead and pick some up. And basically then we should be pretty much good to go. Now, our drone has two pairs of motors. Now, what this basically means is that this motor and this motor both spin in the same direction, and this motor and this motor both spin in the same direction, but this motor and this motor are opposite. So they're two pairs spinning in opposite directions. This is important because this is basically just how the drone manages to maintain flight, but it's really important because it means our propellers are directional. So basically we have two sets of propellers that spin clockwise and two sets of propellers that spin anti-clockwise. So it's very important to make sure that we fit the correct propeller to the correct motor. Now it's made really easy on these propeller bags because there's a little diagram on there which shows you the drone and which propeller goes on which arm and motor. So it's really easy to get the sort of correct, but it's also easy to get it wrong. So just double check before you fit it. And then also when you take the old propeller off, just hold it up to the new one to make sure it's exactly the same shape and orientation. So I'm going to move the camera in a bit closer now, and I'm just going to run you through changing a propeller. If you're enjoying this video so far, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now, I also have a complete drone videography course which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and cinematic genius. Now, it's already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now, I've also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description. Whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for that, and let's get back into it. So changing a prop is really easy, and to show you, I'm going to change one of these front right propellers. So what we need to do is take the provided tool, and then we're basically just going to want to spin these so it's a nice comfortable place for us to hold it. Then we want to hold on this silver portion of the motor belt here just to stop everything from spinning around. Then you want to take our screwdriver, insert it into the top of the screw, give it a very light wiggle to make sure it's fully seated, and then you want to apply downwards pressure to the screw just a little bit in order to stop the tool from slipping. So we want to apply a bit of downwards pressure, and then it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So we want to turn the screwdriver anti-clockwise in order to loosen off the screw. So if I put the screwdriver in, press down a little, turn anti-clockwise, and then we can see here, we can very easily remove the screw without slipping or any damage being done to that screw. So once the screw is removed, we can really easily just slide off the propeller. It just pops off like that. And then we would take our replacement propeller section on the bag. Now in this instance, this is a front right, so this would be an A propeller. So I would take that out, check it just to make sure it is exactly the same as the one I've removed. Yep, I'm happy with that. And then I would go ahead and refit my new propeller. Now to refit it, it's really simple. The propeller just slides on nice and easy like that. Just make sure it is the right way up and it matches the other propeller. Yep, I'm happy with that. Then if you damage the screw during the process, there are new screws included with the bag, so you can pop a new screw in if needs be. But in this instance, the screw that I took out is undamaged, so I can reuse it. And then going to just lightly line the screw up with the hole and then screw it in. This time I'm turning it clockwise, so like I said, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And I'm going to tighten it down until it's first of all snug, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a tighten once we've got it nice and snug. So there we go, it's snug. Then I'm just going to give it a little extra tighten, and that should be enough. You don't need to go mad on these screws going really tight, because you can just damage them and make them either hard to remove or completely snap the screw. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to check that the propeller can still move freely. And once I'm happy with that, the drone is ready to fly. Now, after we have replaced the propeller and we've done our first test flight, when you come back, just double check to make sure that the screw is still tight, and then we're pretty much good to go. So that is how you change a propeller on the Mini 4 Pro. And it's pretty simple, just follow a few basic steps and you should be absolutely fine. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.